Shubor naga Slem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ke Public Account Committee jong ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kala khot ya katanat ki kampo yeng bad ya katanat Arts and Culture jong ke Sorkar jela banyak keren hak bede ba kejing pentrai kam ni skim ba pher hapo kani katanat habaya keren bad khot jong ke PAC Saleng sangma ulong ba kidon katto kat ni kejing bam ya ba ya renti ya gini ki snem baladem haus nem arajar Khyndew kala don ka scheme ka balamang san Klur na ka benta ka jela ka bayadai bat ka police academy ha ka bakin la ban ajing hikai kumba saus pa san pongut ha ka bakin hikai ha ki ba bon kiliang henry tang na ka daw jong ka jing bam la ban Siew ye ka bai Khyndew ha ka por ka bala bu ngiladu kumba arfusan Klur Tyngka ula ban rap ru de ka baong ba wat lang ngiladu no kumba arfusan Klur Tyngka ka Sorkar jela kala aban mang pisan ka benta jong ka jela ha ka benta ki jingshna kila jandam bat ki don tang ki we ni artli ki jingtei ki bang sa uli thoru bagatanat pulit kala ai ka kaipot ha ka ba satang ka we ka bang sa henry ni ki arpusan tli ki jingtei ngilapan hierno satang khatlai tli la benrap usaleng sangma
a few departments, that is police department, home department, and then the art and culture for now. We'll be calling all the other departments afterwards, which has already reflected in the AG report. Now there were some anomalies in the home department that during 2009 there was a 13 final sanctions which was awarded like 50 crores to the state of Meghalaya for the police academy police academy with a training capacity of 450 trainees with the norms of laying down like the 35 different infrastructures such as parade ground, obstacle course, stadium, firing range, indoor shooting, classroom, mini forensic science lab, living accommodations, barrack administrations, and so on and so forth. All those things were there. But just because the DC could not give everything, especially the land acquisitions on time, we have lost around 25 crores of rupees, which which we have got it from the sanction was about 50 crores, but later on we have got only 25 crores. 25 crores of rupees. After that, after the because of the delay of land acquisition, we have lost around 25 crores of rupees, which is very bad, But in the meantime, our state government has managed to, adjust from the state resources fund itself, which is now been almost completed. There are only 1-2 infrastructure which is still late, and then I believe, and then today they have given us a good report also that there is only one item which is still remaining. But out of 35 infrastructure, we have come down to only 13 infrastructure. We have lost two, but still it is good. And then today's report was that now in this police academy they have started giving training more than 3,000. That's what we have got from the home department. And then other sectors we have discussed about all those the fund from giving a police security to all the other corporates like Lafarge, Airport Authority of India, and then Dootasam Kendra, and then United Bank of India, all other corporates also, which they are giving the policing for those realizing the fund from that. All those we have discussed. Everything is fine today.
Hagabaya day bat katanan arts and culture ke PAC kalaptha bandon ki guidelines namar ka jingjit ya ki baput batem ne ki wei kalong tang ki kat to kat ni ulong bakani kan day kalat ki reudon sap ban pen iya la ka jong ka sap ka phong ka bakidon lada pidon ki breu ki bapitep bakitibet hakano gono ka kam phila ban pintep shaki bakin le ya ka badan kam ula ong ru bakin sakot ya ka tender na ka benta ki kinhon ba pher ban shim benta ha ki program namar ki don bon ki samla ki badan sap na ka challa ki bamyo ya ka lat ban mi bat pen I yala ka jong ka sap.
Art and Culture Department, we have told them to come up with the guidelines in choosing the artists from the state, because we don't have only one artist from the state. We have got lots of artists who are very good and then they are very talented also. So it should not be like a choosy on the part, like it becomes a narcissist, narcissism continues, and then like selecting their own people, which is not good. So once, no, it will be like a platform for all the others also who can perform on their own. Sometimes if you know somebody, then only you have, line to get in. So for those things, we have talked about the guidelines, to come up with the guidelines, so that in the future there will be not just a pick up, and the selection will be done. So it should be like universal for everybody. And then we have talked about inviting the tenders even to select the groups of the programmees, for example, like we've got lots of others who are very good, even in selecting the culture clubs also, all those things. And then we have told them to come up with the guidelines, and then in the future they said that they'll start giving the NITOs notice, inviting tenders and all. Not much of a discussion to do, but in every department. So whatever PAG is bringing, our account general is bringing, we will definitely look into this matter seriously. And then whatever lapses that has been created from each and every department, we will look into seriously, and then we will, at least to bring down certain anomalies, and then whatever the AG will be analyzing, reporting to us, whichever is essential, we will definitely try to give justice.